Hey, hello all of you. This is Samir and welcome again on my YouTube tutorial channel. That is the solution now. This is day 5 to learning web development step by step. In the previous day we have learned about list and links, and after that we have learned about fonts. Today I'm here with the new topic of the day, that is images. How to use images on your website, how to use images in your HTML. This is the basic part of the HTML. So I'm going step by step. First I have started HTML, then I will start about CSS. After that we will work on the project of web development. Okay, fine. So this the topic of the day is images. So under the images we have to learn how to add images to the web pages. इट्स मीन कि वेबसाइट पर आप इमेज कैसे अपलोड करोगे एंड चूजिंग द राइट फॉर्मेट. दिस इज द सेकंड टॉपिक. राइट फॉर्मेट मीन्स व्हाट, where you have to set your images, and what should be height, what should be the width. This all will be and will come under the right format. Where you want to set left or right, top or down, this is the format, right? Okay, fine. Then optimizing image for the website. Optimizing the image, uh, optimizing image for the website. So in that, overall we have to learn include an image in your web page using HTML में हम अपने वेबसाइट पे इमेज कैसे डाल सकते हैं. पिक एन इमेज फॉर्मेट. इमेज का कोई फॉर्मेट हमें लेना होगा. एक्चुअली फॉर्मेट मीन्स व्हाट, डॉट जेपीजी, डॉट जेपीईजी, एंड सो एन इमेज एट द राइट साइज. उसको एक राइट साइज देना है हमें. वी हैव टू गिव एन राइट साइज. राइट साइज मीन्स व्हाट, exact size, whatever it suit on your web pages. It's mean pixel, height and width. Right size means what, height and width. And optimize an image for use on the web to make page load faster. आप अपनी इमेज को कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज कर रहे हो कि वो आपका जो वेबसाइट हो वो तेजी से लोड हो. तो काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा होता है कि कई सारे वेबसाइट्स पे आप देखते होंगे तो इमेज लोड नहीं होता है, वो फास्ट लोड नहीं होता है, वो एक आइकन के रूप में आ जाता है. सो फाइन, दिस वी हैव टू लर्न. Let's start the day. Title of the day, images. Fine. So let me open the Sublime text here. First I will show you how to set up the images to show on your web pages. First, if you're working on your website, if you're working on your project, you will have a folder like this, web learning. Okay, under that folder you have HTML, your files means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? So in that you have to put your images, whatever you want to put on your web pages. Fine. For example, we are going to put this image on the website, okay, on our web page. Fine. So this is our HTML file, and this is the images what we have to put. To put, there is three part to put your image. First one, sorry, there is four part. Here is image. This is the image tag. This is used to add an image into the pages. You need to use and tag image element. This is element tag. This is an empty element, which means nothing means this is empty element. And here second one is this src. What is src, right? So src means source, where you have put your uh, images. For example, you want to put an image, on your web page from the internet. You have to put that link of image, whatever is that, and link of them is, that is the source. Source means what? The source, आपका image का source क्या है, ये image आया कहाँ से, that is mean of source. So here alt, alternate means what? Alternate, कभी कभी जब हम इमेज लोड करते हैं, इमेज लोड नहीं होता तो उसके अबाउट में डिस्क्रिप्शन जो होती है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन लोड हो जाता है. यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिखाता है. अगर इमेज लोड हो गई तो डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दिखाएगा. अगर इमेज लोड नहीं हुआ तो ये दिखाएगा कि ये किस अबाउट में इमेज है. ओके, फाइन. सो टाइटल होगा, इमेज का एक टाइटल होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let me open this in a browser. you can see here, this is the image what we have put in the HTML, right? So I was telling that alternate method, right? What is the alternate? If I remove the j, fine, it's mean our source is wrong. मैंने जो image डाला वो wrong है. तो अब इसको अगर हम refresh करेंगे तो आप यहाँ पे देखोगे अल्टरनेट डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा कि ये इमेज जो था ये किसके अबाउट में था और ये क्रॉस आइकन आ गया. ओके फाइन. तो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ अल्टरनेट. व्हाई वी यूज अल्टरनेट टू डिस्क्राइब आवर इमेज. इफ sometime image can't load, then why we use alternate to describe our image. Okay fine. So this is the method to use an image on your web page. First you have to put the image tag, then source, and under source with double quotes you have to put the source of image. For example, source of image here I have put that sam.jpg. This is my file name, and here is the source. Copy that and copy that. After that, after copy, come here and put that copied source, copied path, and now give the forward slash and give the name of your file. That name of the file is sam.jpg. Fine. So this is the method, and after that we can give a specific width and height. I have told you that we have to give a right size of image. Right size means what? We have to use right size means we have to use width and height. For example, you can see over here the image size is not good. This is not set as a good form, good size, right? So we have to use good size. For that we are going to use width and height. So let me give the width is 450 pixel and height give the some height, give 450 pixel, sorry, 450, and width should be 600, right? Save this and again refresh your code. Okay, you can see this is the right side of the image. So first what we have learned, the using of image, adding an image, how to add an image on your web page. Second what we have learned, give the right size, give the right size of your image. So how to give the right size? Under that image tag we have to give the width, and width is equals the equal double quotes, and give your size of width and give your size of height. Okay, so this is the way to give width and height in your HTML, and this is the way to use an image in your HTML. First we have to fourth thing we have to remember, that is image tag. First this should be an image tag, and under the image we have to put the source, means path of the file, where कहाँ से आपने अपना इमेज पिक किया उसका पाथ रखना है. एंड थर्ड वन अल्टरनेट. अगर आप अल्टरनेट रख नहीं रहो, एल रख नहीं रहो, तो भी से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आपको. बस ये डिस्क्रिप्शन के अबाउट में होता है. टाइटल भी इज नॉट नीडेड, कि इसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. एंड अगेन हियर विड्थ एंड हाइट. if you are not using CSS, you want to give a specific height and a specific width, then you have to use width and height in your HTML tag. Okay fine. So this is the way, and now we have to learn the images of side. मतलब आप इमेज किस साइड में पेस्ट करना चाहते हो, मतलब floating of image. So to understand the floating of image or positioning of image, first we have to do some changes. Here something 100 and here 100. Okay, let me resize that image. Actually I'm going to add some text. Refresh this. Okay, so we have resize with 100 and height 100. So now I'm going to add some paragraph. So here Okay, fine. So let me copy that to copy paste. Okay, copy, paste, and close the paragraph. Now open in a browser. Okay, so fine. Now copy the whole thing and paste for 2 times. Copy, copy, fine. So again refresh this. Okay, so to understand the positioning of image, so I'm going to position this as a image right, or as the above the text, and it will be the right side, it will be left, and it will be center. So let me use the elegant property. Okay, so let me use the elegant property is equals double quotes. Now elegant your item मतलब कि position दो अपने image को कि कौन सा position left, right, or whatever you want. So for example, so first let me create a partition HR to understand that code, and come down, and here also create a partition HR. HR means what? This is horizontal line. Don't be confused. I have told you already. So here you can see the horizontal line I have created. So now I'm going to create a okay. Now elegant, give the left elegant. Okay, left. Then see the middle page. Focus on the middle of image. So when we refresh this, you can see, and now I'm going to this, give an elegant to this as a right elegant, and use right format. Okay, okay, now save this. Okay, you can see this is the way to position your images left or right, top or down. So in that HTML, if you are not using, this is not the method to use left or right positioning in CSS. If you are using CSS, there is the different way to position your HTML. This is the way to use the positioning property in your HTML, not in CSS. Okay, CSS is different from the HTML. Okay, so this was the images what I have put, and after that we have learned about tables, and under table we have to learn use the 4 key element for creating tables, represent complex data using tables, and add caption to the table. So this is the day about learning images, how to put an images, how to specify the image, how to optimize, and how to choose the right size of the image. So if you have any doubt, any question about this, you can add your comment in the comment box. So thank you for watching this video. Stay with me for the next topic tomorrow. So see you soon. Bye bye.